In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a straight line in Canva. Whether you're a graphic designer or just looking to add some simple lines to your projects, learning how to create straight lines can really come in handy. Let's dive in and get started. First, the initial step is to head over to canva.com. Once you're there, log into your account by clicking the login button, which you'll find conveniently located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Canva offers a few different options for logging in. You can use your Google account, Facebook account, or simply enter your email and password. Choose whichever method works best for you. After logging in, you'll want to select the project you wish to work on. If you don't have a specific one in mind, you can always start a new project. Just click on the Create a Design button and select the dimensions that meet your needs. Now that you're in your project, let's move on to drawing that straight line. Over on the left-hand menu of your Canva interface, you'll see a variety of options. Click on the Elements icon, which will open up a plethora of design options for you. In the search bar, simply type in line or lines. You'll be presented with a selection of lines to choose from. Click on any line you fancy and drag it onto your canvas. If you want to make sure it's perfectly straight, you can press and hold the Shift key while you drag and resize it. This helpful trick keeps the line perfectly aligned either horizontally or vertically, depending on how you move your mouse, but that's not the only way to achieve a straight line. You can also explore the tools available in the left-hand menu. Click on the Tools icon and you'll find another option for inserting lines. Once there, select the type of line you wish to insert, straight, dashed, or dotted, and simply position it on your canvas. If you prefer a more hands-on approach or want to add a bit of personal flair, Canva also offers a freehand drawing tool. For this method, click on Draw in the left-hand menu and choose a pen, marker, or highlighter. Don't forget to pick the color and thickness of your line to match your design style. To draw, click and drag your mouse across the canvas. If you want to keep the line straight while freehand drawing, remember to hold down the Shift key as you drag your mouse. And there you have it, simple ways to draw a straight line in Canva. Whether you prefer using predefined lines or want the freedom of drawing freehand, these steps should make adding lines to your projects easy and efficient. Happy designing!